Hey guys, Gary back with another review for you today. Guys, I think I have found the starch for me. Guys, this is Niagara Premium. I tell you what, it has a nice spray head pump head on there, so you can spray your clothes pretty well. It's not like the aerosol spray, which I don't like. It kind of flakes all the time. You know, I don't care what brand it is. It always flakes. But this, I mean, it's not aerosol. I mean, you can spray. The way I like to, starch my clothes on my shirts, I just spray them down with this, and then I'll put them in the dryer and let it kind of bake into the clothes, if you will, and then I'll iron them. Guys, it comes out great every time. My shirts are always nice and crisp, and this is a fragrance-free formula, but this is the starch for me. I tell you what, it gives you a nice smooth finish on your clothes. It does exactly what it says. Guys, you need some good quality starch that won't flake your clothes. This is it. You guys make it a great day.